Hi, this is Matt May with CoolMarketingSoftware.com, and today I'm going to be talking about OS Class Submitter 4.7 automatic ad posting software. We just updated this software. We've actually simplified it. And what this software does is that it posts ads on autopilot to 26 different high traffic classified ad sites. It'll post up to 1,000 ads per run, and it spreads out the ads on 26 different high traffic websites. So it's a really cost effective way to advertise. You can advertise as many projects as you want. If you're promoting 10 different affiliate programs, you can put all your information here and save them, and you can have 10 different affiliate programs or 100, that as many as you want and many as you could fill out, and put the information in and save. As many programs as you can promote. So it's unlimited advertising, and it does it for you on autopilot. Now, we've simplified the software to make it even easier to use. This will use Chrome on your computer. So you have to have Chrome installed, and you have to have Windows 8.1 or later. You can use it if you have a Mac, if you use a Windows VPS, and I'll get to that in a little bit later. So in any case, the first thing you need to do to be able to post your ads on all these sites automatically is register an account. Just register one account on all these sites. So you put your name, you put your email. It has to be like a Gmail account or Yahoo or a major free provider. And then you put the password, and the password is going to be the same on all the websites. Okay, so you just do this. The name, and this is going to be the name that's going to appear on the website. So if you want your business name to appear on the classified ad site, you put that there. If you want your personal name to appear, you put that there. So next thing you need to do is you just click register, and it's going to go to all these sites and start registering accounts. You got to wait a little bit. You're going to see Chrome pop up. Now, before you had to update the Chrome driver to match the Chrome version of your browser. You no longer have to do that. It does everything for you. So it's going to go and site after site and create an account for you here. Okay, here it says an activation email is sent. Please click the activation link in the email. So I'm going to stop it here, but it's going to go and register using Chrome on your computer on all the different sites. This is just a test. I'm going to stop it right here. So it's going to go through and register on all 26 sites. And then what you need to do is you go to your email, whatever email account that was you used, you log in, and you just click the confirmation links. You're going to get an email with confirmation links, and you just click on that, and it'll confirm. You confirm your account that way. I'm sure you've done that many times. Wherever else, anywhere you sign up on for anything, they're going to send you an email with a confirmation link to make sure it's you who really signed up. You click on the link, and that's it. And before, I had a second tab here where it could do it automatically. The problem was it's like almost impossible for people to get it set up with Gmail to do that. It does work, all right, but by the time people figure it out, it was just easier for them to click it manually, and it caused a lot of confusion. So even though technically that's possible, what happened was Gmail blocks outside apps a lot. You have to go and you have to set it up so that it accepts outside apps, but then it'll put it back automatically, Gmail. So it's just a nightmare. So easier just to go in your email account, find them, look in the spam folder too. Okay, here's kind of what they'll look like. All right, it won't be for this website, but this is what the confirmation emails look like. So you just click that, and it'll confirm your account. Look for an email that says, please validate. It won't be for this site, but it'll be for other sites. Please validate. That'll be the subject line. Make sure you look in the spam, okay? Also, you'll get some in the spam. All right? So once you've signed up and confirmed on all the accounts, you're good to go. All right? So what you do is you come here and you fill out all the information for your ad. You use the email and the password that you use to register on all the accounts here. And you'll see I have some profiles, projects set up already. You click here and it'll automatically load it in here for you. These are affiliate ads for our affiliate programs. And if you classifiedspecialist.com, coolmarketingsoftware.com, and realppvtraffic.com, if you want to promote our products and services, you could just sign up for free. I'll put the links below and use your affiliate links here. Use your affiliate link here. All right. And the rest, you just stay the same. So just replace that with your affiliate links, click save, and you're good to go. You could promote 3 different affiliate programs. Now, say you want to promote your regular program. You come in here, you fill out all the information, call the project whatever you want to call it, then you're going to see it in the drop down once you save it. Fill it all out, put the category, you got a main category, you got a subcategory. So if I go to business opportunities, I've got a whole list of different subcategories. If I go to services, I've got a whole other list of subcategories. So you've got a category to subcategory. You can put your titles in here. You could use spin tags if you want. You have to type in the spin tags if you're going to use it. It doesn't seem to work that great copying and pasting. So just type in, the spin tag symbols. If you don't know what that is, you can just look that up on Google. It's kind of ubiquitous. It's everywhere. I'm not going to go into a whole tutorial on spin tags here, but you can look that up. Same thing with the description. You can use HTML code. If you know HTML code, or you can just put a text ad in here, put your keywords in here. Like you can see how I have it. I have keywords in separated by commas. If you want to put some local information here about your ad, a phone, optional, more local information, your website or affiliate link, I kind of use that interchangeably. If you're promoting affiliate link, then put your affiliate link. If you're promoting your own website, put your own website. Here, this is really cool. You can take the YouTube share URL from one of your YouTube videos, put it in here, and it will embed the video into the ad. If you have a affiliate link for classifiedsubmissions.com, you put it in here. It'll make a nice call to action. Right here, what you want to do is you want to go and find a photo on your hard drive. Okay, so I found a photo here. I'm going to upload it. Now, what you want to do is click Save Project. Right? You want to click Save Project after you've done everything. And then the next thing you want to do, once you've got everything filled out, you click, figure out how many ads you want to put. You can put up to 1,000 here. It's a lot. Say I just put 100. And I put start posting, and it's going to open up Chrome, and it's going to go from site to site, and it's going to post the ads for you. You can go do something else while it's posting ads for you. There's no CAPTCHAs or anything to fill out. So once you get this software, it's free advertising. It doesn't cost you anything. You sit there and post ads like crazy. So it's a great deal, just basically a one-time charge. Here it's logging in for you. It's going using your Chrome. So you've got to have Chrome, Windows 8.1 or later. And here we go. And you're going to see this. It's going to have this waiting period time. Sometimes it'll have a website down here, like a login ad. So it waits a few seconds for you to see the login ad. And then it's going to go and start posting the ad for you. Site after site after site. So it'll do everything for you. Right now it's just waiting. Now, if you're a member of classifiedsubmissions.com, you're going to get a login ad here every time people log into any of these sites. So that's something to consider. If you don't want to post ads yourself, check out classifiedsubmissions.com. We do all this for you. But if you want to do it yourself, you can get the software. And here we go. It's going to pick the category. It's going to pick the subcategory. And you're going to see it submit the ad for you there. I pick the category, subcategory, pick one of the titles from the spin tags. Here I'm using HTML code. So open up the HTML editor, puts the code in there. There, it comes out a nice HTML ad. All right. Or you could just use text. It'll still make a call to action for you in the website field. So it'll make it clickable. So if you don't know HTML, it's going to pick a random city. Now I can do all kinds of different countries here. I'm doing United States. When you pick the country, it's going to go to random cities in the United States, about 500 different cities. And it's going to go fill your website and your affiliate link, your keywords. There they all are. That was optional. I didn't put anything. I didn't put a Facebook. Here's for classifiedsubmissions.com affiliate program. Here is a video which is going to embed onto the website, right? And so it's going to go through and do all this for you. You don't even have to watch it. Just showing you now the ad has been posted. Here I'm posting another ad, and you'll see one of the login ads. So it just logged in to livefreeads.com, and we see a login ad. That's kind of a nice job they did, because everything's above fold, and we have their opt-in form. So again, if you're a member of classifiedsubmissions.com, you're going to get login ads like this on all the sites. So this is now going to another site, and it's going to go and fill out the ad and submit it. So here it's finished filling everything out. We got the YouTube share URL in there. The whole ad. It's going to click the publish button for you, and we're going to have an ad submitted. There we go. Bam. There it is. So here's the ad. All right. On the site, we can go look at read more, and you get the picture, and see here's the YouTube video that is embedded into the ad. Even if you didn't put a nice HTML ad like this, you still will get this hyperlinked here no matter what. But we put a little extra effort in here and made a nice HTML ad, which you can do as well. See right here, even if you did this text only, it's going to be a clickable link, and same with your affiliate link if you have an affiliate link for classifiedsubmissions.com. Another thing is, these sites are really cool because they have a choice of reading more, going to the ad, or if I click here, it's going to go directly to your landing page or website link. So that gives you very quick traffic. And if you decide to upgrade one of your ads to premium, you get it here in this section at the top, both of your category and at the home page. And then if people click here, say they just click, they want to know what this shocking system is, it's going to go directly to that website. See, it's going to their capture page. It didn't even go to the ad. It went right to their capture page where they can get an opt-in. So this is really set up for you to get opt-in. And we're doing this on 26 different sites for you with this software. See, it's still going here. Still posting off on another site. Now, I chose United States, but you got all these other countries you could choose too. Now, there's going to be less cities in the other countries. There's like 500 cities in the United States, but you can post international ads with this as well. So that's something to consider. So basically, once you get this software, you could have as many affiliate programs as you want, many things as you want to post, and you can just post away. And it doesn't cost you any money after the initial software. We charge like $25 per year if you want the latest updates, but you could just keep the one you have as well. So essentially, you just get the software and you can just promote like crazy, try different programs. One thing works, great. If try something that doesn't work, we'll move on to the next thing. It really is very flexible. And that's how you use the software. And we've simplified it to make it even easier for you to use. So if you'd like to get the software, just click the link below and you can get the software right away and download it instantly. So as soon as you pay, you'll be able to log into your members area account and download the software, and you're good to go. And if you have any issues or problems, let us know. Again, we recommend the Windows VPS, which is just basically a Windows computer hosted with a hosting company, and I'll put information below on how to do that as well, or you could just run this on your Windows machine. So again, if you want to get the software, just click the link below. You can download the software right away. If you like this video, please like it, share it, embed it on your blog, definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel so you get the latest updates on both the free and the paid software, so you know exactly what's going on. We're going to be coming out with a lot more stuff. So this is Matthew May with CoolMarketingSoftware.com.